friends, once again I welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss name, symbol, atomic number and electronic configuration of lanthanide element. F block element is defined as the element in which new entering electron takes position in F orbital are known as F block element. I am repeating, the element in which new entering electron takes position in F orbital is called F block element. General electronic configuration of F block element can be written n-2 F0 to 14, n-1 D01, ns2. ns2 is known as outermost or valence shell, which contain 2 electrons. Before valence shell, d orbital is there, that is known as penultimate shell, which may contain 0 or 1 electron, and n-2 F 0 to 14 are known as anti-penultimate shell, which is known as F orbital, which may contain 1 to 14 electrons. F block element can be classified into two different types, 4F block element and 5F block element. 4F block element is defined as the element in which new entering electron takes position in 4F orbital are known as 4F block element. The element in which new entering electron takes position in 4F orbital are known as 4F block element. Atomic number 58 to 71 are known as 4F block element, or we can say that elements starting from cerium to lutetium are known as 4F block element, which are also known as lanthanide elements. While the element in which new entering electron takes position in 5F orbital are known as 5F block element or actinides elements. Lanthanide elements comes under 6th period and 3rd B group in periodic table. Lanthanide elements comes under 6th period and 3rd B group in periodic table. And general electronic configuration of lanthanide element can be written. Here it comes under 6th period, therefore we will take n is equal to 6 and substituting the value of 6 in general electronic configuration of F block element, that is n-2 F0 to 14, n-1 D01 ns2, we would get 4F0 to 14, 5D01 6s2. This is general electronic configuration of lanthanide element. So general electronic configuration of lanthanide can be written 4F0 to 14, 5D1 6s2, and it is denoted by Ln symbol. It is denoted by Ln symbol. Now we are going to write name, symbol, atomic number and electronic configuration of lanthanide element. You have studied name, symbol, atomic number and electronic configuration in 12th standard. So I am going to give you trick to remember electronic configuration of lanthanide element as well as name of the lanthanide element. So first of all, we are going to write general electronic configuration of lanthanide element this way: 4F0 to 40, 5D01, 6s2. Here we are going to write 4 column. In the first column we are going to write number from 1 to 15. In second column we are going to write name of the element. In third column, we are going to write symbol of lanthanide element. In fourth column, we are going to write atomic number, and in fifth column, we are going to write electronic configuration of lanthanide element. So first of all, we are going to write all the lanthanide element from lanthanum to lutetium. So we will write in this manner. We'll write number, all the number in sequence from 1 to 50. First element of lanthanide series is lanthanum, hence it is known as lanthanide series. Symbol is La, atomic number is 57, and electronic configuration of is xenon 4f0 5d16s2. So in all these element, now I am going to give you trick to remember electronic configuration of lanthanide element. So this is general electronic configuration. So we would write for all these element 4f 5d6s in this manner. 4f 5d6s for lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. For all these element, we would write 4f 5d6s in this manner. Now what we'll do, we will write 2 electron in 6s orbital for all these element. So first here we will write 2 electron in 6s orbital. After writing 2 electron in 6s orbital, we will write 2 electron. Here sequence is 2, so here we would write 2 electron in 4f. In third sequence, we will write 3 electron in praseodymium, 4 electron in neodymium, 5 electron in promethium, 6 electron in samarium, 7 electron in europium. Similarly for gadolinium, we would write 8 electron, but here we would discuss that why we are writing 7 in gadolinium. In terbium, we are going to write 9. Here we will write 10. Here we will write 11 for holmium. For erbium, we would write 12. For thulium, we would write 13. For ytterbium, we would write 14. Here again we can write 15, but here in order to gain stability, we would write 14. Now for lanthanum, gadolinium and for lutetium, we will write 1 electron in 5d energy level. So 2 times 4f7 will be repeated and 2 times 4f14 would be repeated. So this would be the electronic configuration of lanthanide element. So with the help of this trick, whatever the sequence number that you have to mention in 4f energy level, whatever the sequence number you have to mention in 4f energy level. Okay, for gadolinium and lutetium, you have to write 1 electron in 5d energy level. You have to repeat 2 times 4f7 and 2 times 4f14. Okay, so in this way you can remember electronic configuration of lanthanide element. Now how you are going to remember lanthanide element, name of the lanthanide element? So using this trick you can remember all these lanthanide element. You can, because lanthanide element starts from cerium, so you can remember this way. Sri Prasad Nand परिवार समित यूरोप गए, तब डायरिया हुआ और तुम यूं ही लौट आए. श्री प्रसाद नंद परिवार समित यूरोप गए, तब डायरिया हुआ और तुम यहां लौट आए. So with the help of this trick, you can remember all the lanthanide element. I am repeating third time. श्री प्रसाद नंद परिवार समित यूरोप गए, तब डायरिया हुआ और तुम यूं ही लौट आए, तुम यहाँ लौट आए और यूं ही लौट आए. So with the help of this trick, you can remember name of the lanthanide as well as electronic configuration of lanthanide element. Now, according to definition of lanthanide element, that the element in which new entering electron takes position in 4f energy level are known as a lanthanide element. According to definition, only 13 elements from cerium to ytterbium, atomic number 58 to 70, should be the member of lanthanide series. However, all the 15 elements from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic number 57 to 71, are considered as lanthanide element since all the 15 elements have similar chemical and physical properties. Generally, chemical properties depends on number of electron in outer energy level. In this element, new entering electron takes position in 4f energy level, so number of electron in outer energy level remains the same. Here in lanthanum, as well as all the 14 elements are having similarity in chemical properties, and therefore lanthanum and lutetium are included in lanthanide series. Now, as we refer electronic configuration of gadolinium, electronic configuration should be from 4f8 5d06s2 instead of 4f7 5d16s2, because in f orbital f0, f7 and f14 are stable electronic configuration, and 4f8 it is quite near to 4f7, and energy difference between 4f and 5d is very close. Difference between them is very less, and therefore one electron from 4f transferred to 5d to give 4f7 5d16s2, and that's why electronic configuration of gadolinium is 4f7 5d16s2 instead of 4f8 5d06s2.